Hi, everyone. I've got a best 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay to share today that's just too good to keep to myself. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. To start with, the design is just stunning. It has a premium feel that you usually only find in expensive brands. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. But here's the best part, the price. It's a total steal. High quality for a fraction of what you'd expect. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. This is a real multitasker for your routine. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, stock is moving fast. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.